many of you were disgusted by a bad breath? Having a bad breath can happen to anybody. Fortunately, this could be reversed to a good breath. People need to take action in taking care of their oral health. If not, then those people can be in trouble. In this speech, I will tell you the effects you can have on taking care or not taking care of your teeth. Each individual needs to take care of his or her own teeth, gums, and tongue. Pretty and clean teeth are attractive. Gums should be pink and healthy. A clean tongue is necessary for a good breath. Oral hygiene should start with us. If adults don't take part in this, then their children will also not participate in oral care. Having this said, we can control the environment in our mouth. Saving teeth and avoiding bad breath is simple. People tend to focus more on their teeth when brushing, but they also need to keep something else in mind. In an interview I had with Dr. Kyle Schull, he said, "Don't forget the tongue. It has the same bacteria that's in your mouth, and it can easily transfer to your teeth. The tongue has this effect on the smell. And a way to clean the tongue is with a tongue scraper. It removes the stinky bacteria on your tongue, helping cure bad breath from a website or a brush. As well as cleaning the tongue, we all should brush twice a day with fluoride and floss daily, according to a book, The Chairside Instructor. A pea size is more than enough of toothpaste." Over here, we can see that this is a pea-sized toothpaste on the toothbrush. Over here, we see that there's more than enough toothpaste, and it's more than necessary. It's kind of like a waste. In the Visual Encyclopedia of Natural Healing, a book written by 10 authors, stated the key to proper treatment is plaque control, a job that is never done. Plaque is something that sits on your teeth. It's from the food we eat and the liquids we drink, except water. In order to get rid of plaque, we need to brush it off our teeth and floss between our teeth. On this picture here, we can see the plaque that's been sitting on our teeth for a long time, and it has caused an infection inside the gums, and it started bleeding because of the infection. So that's plaque that's been sitting on that tooth. It's white and fuzzy color. You could notice it on yourself if you look sometimes in the mirror. I have been working in a dental clinic, for 20 months now. I have knowledge on this topic. I see the difference between people who clean their teeth, do a good job brushing and flossing, and they only need 6-month checkup. They have no cavities. But people who do not do a good job brushing their teeth, they constantly have cavities, and they need treatment always. I like to say that nighttime is the most important time to brush your teeth. At our clinic, we say to brush twice a day. If you skip one, skip the morning one. The nighttime is the most important time to brush your teeth. And the reason why is because saliva protects your teeth. When your body is awake, the saliva is protecting your teeth. Your body is constantly making saliva when you're awake. But when your body is sleeping, there is no saliva in your mouth, so that anything that's left in your teeth has a high risk of causing cavities. Flossing gets the food that gets stuck between your teeth. Some people think that it's not important to brush. Some people don't think that's important to floss because they don't think anything gets stuck in there, but it really is important. What happens if we don't floss is that food can get stuck between our teeth and it could cause cavities. Also, if food gets stuck inside between our teeth, then it could cause gum infection. Having yearly dental checkup is important. The dentist will be able to catch the problem easily and quickly if there is something that needs to be treated. All of these explanations show that there is a possible solution to a healthy smile. Knowing the proper steps to the oral care, which is a solution to bad breath and destruction of our mouth. Why should we take action? If we take care of our teeth, we can save them. This includes preventing bone loss, preventing bad breath, preventing gum disease, and preventing toothaches. If we don't take care of our teeth, then our teeth will rot and cause us pain. Once the decay starts, it doesn't stop unless it's treated. As the decay continues to spread, it could break down the tooth structure and eventually into the nerve. There is where the most pain comes from. Also, tooth can abscess, and it can be very deadly. Over here we can see a picture of how the tooth has rotten to the nerve and to the gums. It has abscess, and if it's not treated, it could really be deadly, and a person can die from that. And that has happened before too. We can now see the benefits of taking care of our teeth, gums, and tongue. So what can we do to help our oral hygiene? Here's a challenge for all of us. Brush our teeth twice a day and floss daily. By doing this, we can avoid a bad breath and have nice teeth. If we adults do this, then our children will follow our example. Thank you.